When checking a used car before buying, it's important to thoroughly inspect the vehicle to ensure that it's in good condition. Here are some steps to consider. Exterior inspection. Look for any signs of rust, dents, or scratches. Check the condition of the tires and look for uneven wear. Inspect the headlights, taillights, and turn signals to ensure they are functioning properly. Interior inspection. Test all the features such as the air conditioning, heating, radio, and power windows. Under the hood. Check the fluid levels, including oil, coolant, and brake fluid. Look for any signs of leaks or corrosion. Inspect the belts and hoses for wear and tear. Test drive. Take the car for a test drive to check for any unusual noises, vibrations, or handling issues. Test the brakes, acceleration, and steering. Obtain a vehicle history report to check for any accidents, title issues, or other red flags. Professional inspection. Consider having a professional mechanic inspect the car to identify any potential issues that may not be obvious to the untrained eye. Undercarriage inspection. Check the exhaust system for any signs of damage or rust. Electrical systems. Check the battery condition and age. Frame and alignment. Inspect the frame for any signs of damage or bending. Check the alignment of the wheels by driving the car and observing if it pulls to one side. Documentation and ownership. Review the vehicle's title, registration, and maintenance records. Ensure that the VIN vehicle identification number on the dashboard matches the VIN on the title and other documentation. Price comparison. Research the market value of the specific make and model to ensure that the asking price is reasonable. Negotiation. If you find any issues during the inspection, use this information to negotiate the price or request repairs before finalizing the purchase. By thoroughly inspecting the used car using these steps, you can make a more informed decision about whether to proceed with the purchase.